Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I feel like every time I start filming a video I never post it, but what can I say? For this weekend I am going to Kanchanaburi. I decided to go away for the weekend because in about 10 days I'm going to Bali and I'm so excited. The first couple of nights I'm by myself. Yeah, I'll have to go and do a bit of solo traveling, something that I'm always scared of, but just gotta do it. In Asia I can't not go and do things. I bought myself some breakfast. I just went down and got myself a coffee. Always needed, always necessary. Also always necessary to buy coffee in a recyclable mug. This way I'm not wasting any plastic. It's always a bit stressful thinking that you forgot something, but you know what? Too late now if I have ready to go. Should be about 20 minutes, hopefully. So the last time I came here, I walked over the bridge, which I've just done now, but I knew what time the train was coming, so I knew like when to get back. I just shouldn't be on the tracks when the train comes. So I have made it. I've just walked across the bridge. It's like over there. I'm back in a bit of nature. There's trees around me. There's mountains. I don't see one single like tall building in sight. This weekend I'm in Kanchanaburi, and then in a couple of weeks time I'm going to Bali. My cousin is coming to visit in December, so I'm really excited for that. She's going to be with me for Christmas, and then next year, probably sometime around in May, I'm going to come home. I haven't booked my flights or anything, but that is the plan. I'm officially coming home to South Africa next year, so I'm so excited. Most of my friends know that I was planning on coming home next year, but it's like official. I feel like my time here is on its way out. Like I can feel myself becoming ready to come home. But also another thing that I've been wanting to speak about, but I don't know, I feel like whenever I sit down to film something, my mind isn't ever in the right place to like say what I want to say. I've just been a little bit discouraged from filming, firstly because I have put on weight and my skin is not doing so great, so I haven't been feeling that confident in my body. I feel like my mind is in a place where I'm content with who I am, but I know that I can be better physically. Mentally and spiritually, I think I've grown a lot. I've become a lot more mature. I mean, as much as I can admit that I still love the drama and I don't like to get involved in people's drama, but my friends know. Whew, I got such a fright. My friends here know that they can come and speak to me about anything, and what they say to me, they can trust that I'm not going to go off and tell other people. I definitely still, you know, the person that I've always been supporting people and helping them out where I can. Yeah. My skin, my texture, the skin. I have never ever had acne prone skin in my life. I never struggled with it as a teenager. I'd have the odd pimple here and there, but nothing like I have now, and that's definitely taken a hit to my confidence. I've had acne scars and acne scarring on, so strange, but on the right side of my face for the past, I'd say 4 months. And yeah, I've just been like discouraged by it, but I've decided now that I don't want it to stop me from enjoying myself and recording and capturing all the moments so that I have memories to look back at in the future. Yesterday I was going through my hard drive and I was sorting out all of my grandpa's files from his computer, and I just saw so many silly videos that he'd just taken of, like, for Christmas. I think it was like 2011. It was just so nice to see, and it really just sparked my interest back up in wanting to film and wanting to capture the memories. It's hard for me, but I need to find a balance between capturing the memories and enjoying the moments. It's honestly so nice, even just sitting in this little waiting booth, I suppose it's called. There's a nice breeze, but I think I need to go and get some food now and then start making my way over to the hostel. I'm staying on the river. It will be the first time that I stay in a hostel by myself, but I did book a private room, so I don't know if that's cheating or what, but just chilling, just appreciating life. I just realized I've been eating on a table full of baby spiders. I'm gonna try to show you. Okay, good, there it is. Just finished lunch and got myself a song towel. I'm on my way to my hostel. Private taxi, even. No one. Got all the space in the world. So I've just checked into my hostel. I'll give you a room tour. My bed, which is on the floor, I got a little beanbag. And I got a river view. How gorgeous is this? And then all just like the chill area, which I'll probably spend most of my afternoon. Oh, this is so beautiful, and look at all the mountains. I'm so happy I've done this. Like, I always get so nervous traveling solo, and she also told me that it's not busy, which I'm grateful for, because I don't want it to be like a party vibe. I just want a chilled weekend. My skin is so bad, you can see now what I was talking about earlier. Freaking annoyed about that. But anyway, on another note, just want to show you, because minding my own business, and I see this old lady minding her own business. She's feeding her fish, and I think it's so cute, so I'm going to show you. Oh, enough spooning, let's just throw it all in. Oh, she's so cute. That little place I went this afternoon, I just sat out in the sun for a little bit to try and get some color on my legs. Not that I think anything happened. So tonight my plans are, I've rented a scooter and I'm gonna go across that side of the river tonight, because that's where the festival is, and a little market that I can go and get some food. How beautiful is this? The sun is setting. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I knew I was gonna forget something. I don't have any deodorant on me. I'm reading the woman in cabin 10. I sat out there for like about an hour and a bit. I just read a couple of chapters, just stopped and watched the world go by. Just wanted to take my cell phone, not have to worry about carrying too many electronics with me. Yeah, I'm going to show you where I'm going to go now. It's over there. So obviously the camera quality is not going to be like the same, so I do apologize for that if it's a big difference. So I drove through the madness of the street twice and decided to park a little bit out and walk in, so I don't feel like I'll lose my scooter, or parked a little bit out and now I'm gonna walk in, go find some food, listen to some music, just enjoy myself. Oh, good morning. I didn't close my curtains last night. I woke up this morning to the sun beaming down on me and it got super hot. This morning I've just been reading my book. I went downstairs and had a coffee. I'm literally addicted. I'm halfway through. My plans for today, I think I'm just gonna go to the giant rain tree that's over 100 years old, and just come back and read my book and have a relaxing afternoon. I think that's my problem. Holidays for me are just relaxing and not doing too much in terms of like touristy things. Such a lovely view to just look out on the bed. That'll do. I'm finally ready to go, ready for the day. I've just kept my hair in this because especially when you're riding a scooter, putting a helmet on and off, a plait is the easiest way to do that. We've got to get going. So I've arrived. It was a nice relaxing bike ride. This is how you do a quick photo shoot when you're by yourself. So I stopped at this place, definitely like a graveyard. I know it's so weird that I want to stop at it, but it looks so beautiful. The Wang Cemetery Park. But I think it was something to do with go away! It must have been something to do with the war, but the way it's been done is absolutely beautiful. So it's all like rolling hills of graves. It's just done so beautiful. So my battery is flashing, so I have to make a quick outro. But I am home now. I have had a nap and I've ordered food. I felt like having some Indian because I haven't had curry in a long time. I feel like I'm so chilled and relaxed now. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog that I threw together. Not like walking and talking and voting and vlogging in public, but I hope you enjoy just watching what I got up to this weekend. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see my Bali vlog next, because that's a cool little adventure that I'm going on very soon. I'm so excited for it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.